CHR. These are the alphabets that Toyota is bringing to one of the hottest segments in the automotive industry right now, which is a compact crossover. So let's go ahead and find out what it is.
Expressive, quirky, and funky are some of the characteristics that depict the CHR styling. It wasn't long ago when Toyota was building Econo boxes, so this one is a welcome surprise. If you're curious why the name CHR, well, it means Coupe High Rider. The front end has an aggressive demeanor that accentuates its wraparound LED headlamps. As with every Toyota nowadays, a huge gaping grille is present on the bumper. Its dynamic presence continues onto the side with creases that flow along the wheel arches to the body panels. The generous application of black plastic cladding exudes a rugged appearance, while the sloping roofline creates a sporty appearance. You'd be hard-pressed to think that this is a two-door crossover, when in fact the rear door handles are discreetly mounted in the window sills. Optional on the CHR is a contrasting roof to personalize your vehicle. The swept-back rear end features a claw-shaped taillight, rear bumper diffusers, and a roof spoiler. Optional kits like this Nurburgring edition are available in this thigh-spec model, and it definitely complements the CHR's vibrant design.
Okay, so I'm now inside the Toyota CHR and first impressions are very good. I believe that this design should be applied to the Toyota Supra because it feels like the whole interior is designed around you. You are cocooned with the car.
Passengers are treated to a soft and supportive leather seat, while the HVAC controls are within reach. The multifunction steering wheel feels nice to the touch, plus the gear selector looks like it came from the Lexus parts bin, which is a good thing.
As with every Toyota, quality is expected to be high. Materials used are nice soft touch above, but then you still find hard plastics down below. But I'm just nitpicking because I can forgive it for its design. It is truly one of a kind.
Practicality inside is a plus, with plenty of cubby holes to lose things. Interestingly, there's an abundance of geometric shapes scattered about the cabin that echoes its design language.
Getting in the back seat is a bit challenging because of the sloping roofline. It does have this sloping sill, and once I close the door, this is where the Toyota CHR's shortcomings are coming to place. So there are small windows here, and it does kind of make it feel claustrophobic inside.
The occupants are cocooned in a spacious cabin with lots of leg and foot room, and despite the sloping roofline, there are cutouts for your head which makes it comfortable for average-sized adults. Children, however, will have a hard time seeing out the window as the sills are mounted high. Rear trunk capacity is rated at 377 liters, which is more than with some hatchbacks, but less than its competitors. Thankfully, the rear seats fold down 60-40. There are two powertrains available for the thigh-spec CHR. Base and mid variants get a 2ZR FBE 1.8-liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine making 140 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 175 Nm of torque at 4,000 RPM. Higher models get a hybrid system carried over from the Prius and Corolla hybrid. Combined power output with the hybrid system produces a total of 120 horsepower. Power is transmitted exclusively via the front wheels, and it is paired with a CVT transmission. The CHR rides on Toyota's highly acclaimed TNGA platform, which also underpins the Prius and Camry. Therefore, its suspension setup comprises of an independent McPherson strut with stabilizer bar up front and a multi-link rear suspension with hydraulic shock absorbers. The CHR is equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, lane departure alert, rear cross traffic alert, automatic high beams, brake hold, and lane tracing assist, to name a few. As of writing, there aren't any news whether Toyota Motor Philippines will bring the CHR to our shores. The CHR is competing in a crowded segment with the likes of the Honda HR-V, Nissan Juke, Suzuki Vitara, MG ZS, Ford EcoSport, and the Chevy Trax, to name a few. With its extraordinary design, exceptional quality, a fuel-efficient powertrain, and a desirable badge, the CHR is a compelling small crossover.
So that was a quick look of the all-new Toyota CHR. I do hope we get it in the Philippines soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my socials, which I link in the description down below. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.